Good morning, dear students. Hope you are fit and fine. Now let us start our lesson on the same chapter, Harappan civilization. Here we could study about the extension of the civilization, the town planning, the granaries, trade, transport, ornament, toys and amusement, and decline of the civilization. Now let us first continue with the extension of the civilizations. The entire area of the Harappa civilization is triangular in shape and account for about 1.3 million square kilometer and was the largest area amongst the ancient civilization. It extended from Sukha in the west to Alamgirapura in the east, from Manda in the north to in Narmada Strait in the south. The Harappan culture covered area of Punjab, Haryana, Sindh, Balochistan and Gujarat, Rajasthan and the fragments of West Uttar Pradesh. Some of the center of this civilization in India are Manda, Banawali, Rangpura and in recent years many more extension of these civilizations in Gujarat, Punjab has been discovered. Dholavira in Gujarat is the most prominent among them. The largest site of the Harappan civilization, however, are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangan and Lothal. The two most important Harappan cities are Harappa in the district of Punjab, Mohenjo-daro in the district of Sindh, and since these two cities are linked by the river Indus, this civilization came to be known as the Indus Valley civilizations. A third city lies at Chonodro, about 130 km south of Mohenjo-daro. The fourth city is at Lothal in Gujarat, at the head of the Gulf of Cambay. The fifth city lies in Kalibangan in North Rajasthan, and the sixth, called Banawali, is situated in Hisar district in Haryana. These are the most extended area of these civilizations. Now there are some other important features linked with this civilization. The urban planning is there, and the urban planning means the town planning. This is one of the most important features of these civilizations. The main characteristic of town planning were the following. Each city was divided into two parts. The raised area, which is called the citadels, and the lower town, and the citadel owned it height to the building which were constructed on mud brick platform. The citadels were separated from the lower class by a wall. The most important building like the great bath, the granary, the assembly hall and the workshop were located on the citadels. The lower town have residential building which the people lived and worked. The main street follow a grid pattern. The houses at street corner were rounded to allow cars to pass easily. House drain empty all the waste in the main drain system. The street crossed the main road at right angle, dividing the city into square and rectangular block. Now let us talk about the houses of the Harappans. The size of the houses were different and there was lots of variation in the size of the houses. But each house had covered drain connected with the street drain. The kitchen were placed in sheltered corner of the courtyard. Each house had door, window, ventilator. Doors and windows opened on the side of the street and not on the main road. Now, since I have already talked about the food in the previous chapter, the surplus food, then for keeping of the surplus food or for keeping of the grain, they had grain a set of 6 granary which were founded at several sites of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. The locations of the Harappan near the river Ravi suggest that the food grain were brought to this place by boat. So, transportation was done through boat or by the riverway. At the same time, the Harappan carried trades and its stone, metal, seal, etc. within the Indus civilization zone. But the trades was continue on the system of barter. Barter systems mean where you could exchange one material for others in order to meet your needs. They also have set up trading colony in Afghanistan and which facilitate trade with the Central Asia. A number of stones were discovered from the excavations, and the Harappan people used a set of cubical stone weight. The basic unit was 16, that is equal to modern 14 grams. The largest weight were multiples of 16 like 32, 48, 64, 128 and so on. The smaller one were all fraction of 16. This was the way they could measure the things. Now, as I've already told you, transportation was done through boating system, and they have lots of boat has been discovered, which gave us information about the transportation facility of the Harappan people. At the same time, the Harappans, both men and women, used to wear ornaments, and ornaments were made of gold, silver, metals, and precious ivory also. The women wear earrings, anklets, nose ring, and fan-shaped headdresses, earrings. Same way, the men used to wear ornaments like earrings, anklets, etc., etc. Since they were highly qualified people, highly skilled people, they had certain entertainment facility for themselves also. Hunting and fishing was one of their entertainment which they could entertain themselves. At the same time, toys of bird, animals, cart, and whistles were also found from the site of the Harappa. Now the most important part, anything which grows come to an end. The Harappan civilization also came to an end, which we say decline of the civilizations. There are certain factors which are responsible for the decline of the civilizations. Some of the factors were earthquake, floods, increased aridity, deforestation, and inventions. But the decline of the aspect of the Harappan civilization did not lead to the total disappearance of all the tribes of this civilization. Many of its features were found in the later cultural development. The Harappan way of making baked pottery, brick, beads, jewelry, textiles, etc. were adopted by the later civilizations. In the religious sphere, the worship of Pasupati, Shiva, the female deity, as mother goddess, sacred trees, animals, serpent, religious symbols, etc., which are prevalent during the Harappan periods, some of them have continued to this day. So, dear students, the Harappan civilization was a high-class civilization whose traits are still found into our modern day work also, in the modern day civilization also. This is about the Harappan civilizations. Hope you will understand it, and we will continue our lesson on the next chapter in the next sessions. Keep yourself fit and fine and stay at home. Thank you.